In today's episode of BS Reasons as to why lenders reject mortgage applications, we have a client who got rejected because they couldn't show a consistent record of savings in line with what their new mortgage commitment is going to be. In simple terms, the reason this person got rejected is because they still live at home and they haven't been saving a consistent amount every single month in line in what their new mortgage and bills are going to be. So therefore, in the lender's eyes, this person cannot show how they're going to be able to manage that commitment moving forward. Mind you, this client did have savings in a separate bank account. However, because they haven't had consistent savings over the last 3 months' bank statements, the lender wasn't happy with it. The applicant did also have one occurrence of going into the overdraft accidentally, but that was enough for the lender to essentially say no. So if you're a first-time buyer and you're still living at home so you don't have any bills to pay, start getting into the habit of putting aside at least your monthly mortgage repayment or what you expect it's going to be, as this will demonstrate to a lender that you are consistent at that sort of expenditure. One thing to bear in mind is that this won't happen on every application, so don't let that scare you off. However, it's a good practice to start having consistent savings every single month. And if you found that useful, make sure you hit like and follow for more.